Hey guys, today is my review of the Nightmare on Elm Street t-shirt review. So this does not have any picture of any version of Nightmare of Elm Street. So it's just have Freddy's claws. So starting up, we're gonna look at the t-shirt. So on the t-shirt it says a Nightmare on Elm Street, which is very good. A Nightmare on Elm Street, all all related characters and all that. Associates S24, Excel. You got Made in Salvador, and you got different color, different stuff, like how to wash this stuff, T-shirt and everything. That's very good. Mad Engine Global, and you got different stuff. So starting up with the T-shirt, we're gonna take a look. So as it is, it says A Nightmare on Elm Street, so that's very good. And then there is a this is the Freddy's glove, which is very good. And then you can see the slash mark with the red blood type thing. That's very nice. And you can see all this kind of sketch-like detail. That's really cool. And then there's this blood making hole. So, trying to do this, nightmare dream sequence where he slashes his enemies, the Freddy Krueger. So starting up, we got, there is written, "Ready or Not, Here I Come." That's very cool. And then there is a picture of a skull or some kind of face. And then there's these kind of details. So I guess this is, I don't know. I haven't watched the movie for a long time. I did watch the original series and the reboot, but I don't remember this line. So I actually remember this line from a Freddy Krueger action figure, which was made for kids. I guess I don't remember, but it was from YouTube Jeepers Media, where Freddy says this line. So that's very cool. And then there's the black T-shirt. That's very nice. It's a very good cloth, but this one's very thin, so it won't tear, but it's thin, and it's not a double stitch, and you got the stitching right there. There's this for the other part of the sleeves, and you got the double stitch on here, and you got all this, and you got the stitching right here. So basically these are for your, regular wear. So I guess you can even wear this on party, or you can wear it as a regular wear, because these are light t-shirts. Most likely some of the t-shirts have double stitching. They feel a little bit too hot to wear. So this feels a little bit light to wear. So it's got written claw catch. Got all that. That's very cool. Claw catch. And on the back, you got nothing. And on the front, we got the round neck collar. That's very good. Very nice round neck collar with linings. And it got round neck collar with linings on the top. There's the frame for the neck, which is also pretty good. And yeah, I guess this t-shirt is really good. I mean, you can actually, if you're a fan of, watched any Nightmare on Elm Street movie, and you just actually bought it, I think this is not a bad t-shirt. So yeah, this is my review.